Hey, and welcome to Smart Office, weekly tips and tricks to work around Microsoft Office applications. Today, I will show you something that has to do with Microsoft Excel.
How to create a chart in Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel, a powerful tool that we can use to visually display data graphically is named a chart. A chart is often named as a graph. It visually represents data from a worksheet, which helps us understand the data much easier rather than just looking at the numbers. It allows us to see the real meaning behind the numbers. There are a lot of chart types that we can use, such as bar, column, pie, line, scatter, and many other more. In this video, I will display how to create a pie chart quickly and easy. I have some data in this spreadsheet that I want to represent visually with a chart. For us to do it, we must select the area that contains the data and that we want to represent it with a chart. For this example, I've selected the area from A1 to F5. Then I move to the Insert tab of the ribbon and I'll locate the area of the ribbon named Charts. Here we have all these sorts of charts. We can use the recommended charts if we want to, just in case we don't know which chart to use. Want us to recommend a good chart to showcase your data? Select Data in your worksheet and click this button to get a customized set of charts that we think will fit best with your data. I just press the button and we have the Insert Chart dialog box that appears with a recommended chart. First of all, we have the line chart. Second, clustered column. Third, stacked area. Fourth, stacked column. 5, clustered bar. I select the clustered column one where we have a preview, and underneath we have an explanation why and when to use the clustered column chart. A clustered column chart is used to compare values across a few categories. Use it when the order of categories is not important. If we're happy and satisfied, we just press the OK button and the chart is created. I'm going to move to another sheet of mine, population. And I want to create a chart from these two areas, the continent and the population of the year 2020. I just select the area B2 until C8. Again, Insert tab. From the area of the ribbon Charts, I'm going to select a pie chart. Insert pie or donut chart. Use this chart type to show proportions of a whole. Use it when the total of your numbers is 100%. From the drop-down menu, 2D pie, 3D pie. Use this chart type to show proportions of a whole. Use it when numbers equal 100%. The chart contains only a few pie slices. Many slices make the angles hard to estimate. I just click on the 3D pie chart and straight away it's created and inserted in my spreadsheet as an object.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know.